Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download your contacts that are available in your LinkedIn profile. With this method, you can download many things like imported contacts, invitations, your articles, and many more. So let's get started. To download your contacts, first you need to click on the Me icon here. Now you need to click on the Settings and Privacy. Just click on this. Once you are here, on your left you can see there's a Data Privacy. Just click on this. And now under how LinkedIn uses your data, you can see there's an option to get a copy of your data. Just click on this. And from this page, you can export your data from your LinkedIn profile. So if you want to download everything, that includes articles, connection, contacts, messages, and much more, you check on this option. If you just want to download the contacts, just click on this icon and request archive. You can see your download will be ready in about 10 minutes. When you click on the request archive, it will take some 5 to 10 minutes and your download will be ready. Just click on request archive. And now we will wait for about 10 minutes so that LinkedIn will ready up your data. And after 10 to 15 minutes, you can go again to your data and privacy. And you can click on get a copy of your data. And here you can see your contacts are ready to download. Just click on the download archive. And now the download should start automatically. So that's how you can download your contacts from your LinkedIn account. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Also like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.